watch the satellites explode.
Money.
All right, guys. Woo! This Road Warrior is awesome. It's out here testing it out right now, and install is super easy. Basically, just had to swap it out and install the brackets onto the body of the fairing and put it into the fork clamps. What's going on, guys? Out here in Azusa Canyon, and just giving you guys my first impressions and first impressions of the Memphis Shades Road Warrior. Super awesome, loving it so far. And the install was super simple. Basically, I already had these fork clamps on here, so all I had to do was just take those off, install the mounting brackets onto the Road Warrior, and they slipped on pretty easy. And I already had those fork clamps installed from the trigger lock mounting hardware that came with the Sport Shield Del Rey that I had on here. You want to check that video out so you get a full install video. I'll put the link up here somewhere, and also in the description below. I think you'll find my previous video on this install helpful. And another thing, if you have the Lowrider S and you're doing this windshield install, the headlight right here on the Lowrider S, when you take off the stock fairing, it's like a naked look, so you want to put this headlight shroud, or I put the headlight shroud from Memphis Shades. Basically finishes off the headlight, fits into here nice and perfect, and also is compatible with the Sport Shield, in case you're wondering. Easy install. The Road Warrior basically comes in two pieces. You have the body right here and the windshield. I went with a vented 11-inch, like a smoked windshield. Looks super cool, love it. Overall, I measured it from here to the top. You're looking at about 14 inches, maybe a little bit more, and compared to the Sport Shield, which is 13 inches. So overall, the height difference is not dramatic between the Sport Shield and this, but as you can see, the body of a fairing is a lot bulkier and blocks more wind coming off the sides, which I did notice. With the Sport Shield, I felt like there was more wind kind of like hitting my body. Like the Sport Shield was taking a lot of wind off my head, but I feel like the Road Warrior takes it more off your body. And when I first experienced it, it kind of felt like the bike was catching the wind more, but overall felt stable. And for me, it was really nice because I felt less wind hitting me, so you feel a little bit more comfortable going at higher speeds because the wind just feels less violent against you, so you don't feel like you're going too fast, which at highway speed is nice. Even though it's bigger and it's not clear like my Del Rey, easy line of sight through these canyons, not having a problem riding through here. Very cool. I'm very happy with it, guys. It's getting warm. I got some things I gotta do at home. Get ready for this trip to Lake Tahoe. Right on out of here. And Lake Tahoe for me is gonna be about, I think, like 500 miles just to get there. So I'm gonna be putting some great miles on here, and I'll be able to give you some good feedback as to how this performs on those longer stretches of highway and for a long period of time. So really excited for that. And once again, thank you, Memphis Shades. I'm really loving this so far. It looks beautiful, and more importantly, the performance and the fit is perfect. I literally didn't have to change anything. I just took off the sport shield, installed these brackets, and put it on. I didn't have to angle my headlight any different. I didn't have to adjust my fork clamps. It literally just clipped on there super easy. And yeah, craftsmanship, super top-notch high quality. So great job, great fit, loving it. All right, guys, let's cruise on through these canyons.